If you kept up with our vlogs, you know this is where we get free grass. It's time to feed the goats. It took all of 1 minute, 2 minutes maybe. Got a whole pile. That's all we need. This was a very easy haul. Took all of a few minutes. Now we're gonna walk back and feed to the goats. As we say in like almost every video, we try to get as much free food as possibly can. Everyone likes it. I mean, everyone. Market right now in Quinlan, as always.
Sunny day, feeling lazy. Time for fun and get crazy. Fishing rod in a tube and a cooler. Text the gang, ready to hang by the water. Think I'll drink me a cold one, baking in the hot sun.
25 cents, got myself a little mixer for my bar. Clean it up a little, polish it up, and we'll be good to go. Food's ready. That's how y'all know. This actually would be pretty cool for the
Take it slow on the Guadalupe River.
I always have to buy clothes for everyone in the family.
The sweatshirt looks super comfortable and it's only 50 cents, so it's mine.
Don't say I never do anything nice for you.
You're gonna check me out some dollar jackets.
That's right. Rainbow trout, hooked on a line, let's roll. Think I'll drink me a cold one.
Jared, how's it going so far?
Pretty well, pretty well.
What do you think of these girls right here?
Dude, that's much fun.
What are you trying to buy?
A tiny Christmas tree for our little trailer.
The more she tapped, the more I felt dumber. And she said, about $3. Gotta go back
Sold.
and sort her.
Okay, cool deal.
Yeah,
Thank you.
So Jaylene has been bugging me for the longest time to get her a Christmas tree, and I didn't want to get one for the camper, but she finally talked me into it.
$3.
Jared spent 10 bucks. Now we're heading home, do some chores, see what else we can get into. So we just got home. I'm hungry, I've been hangry, I need to eat, and so let's see what we've been cooking. Yeah, buddy. That's beans, nail guy meat. We're gonna eat some chips. It's got a bunch of other ingredients in there. We're gonna do a cooking video on that soon, so stay tuned. It tastes amazing.
Troubles go. Take it fast, take it slow on the Guadalupe. On the Guadalupe River. Blow down the river. On the river.
We just finished eating. What in the world is Jared doing?
So I looked outside and saw the neighbor decorating their house. They got more stuff this year, so we ran to Walmart and picked up a few more items. Can't let the neighbors outdo us.
So this is Hank and Bandit, which is the mom and dad of the puppies. When we first got Hank, he was super scared. He bit me and Jaylina. He was a puppy, and they were street dogs. He was a street dog. We worked on him, and finally got him good enough to come up to us. But that's the parents to the puppies if anyone's interested. So I guess Jared officially introduced y'all to the puppies. They're about a week and a half old now. They haven't opened their eyes yet, but it should be close. But yeah, any day now. So we're gonna go check them out and see how they're doing. They're just sleeping in here. They've been sleeping a lot, but they're doing very, very well. They are some good puppies. I started putting the rabbits in this cage. It used to be a quail cage, but now we have it for the rabbits. I took the lid off, or the top part of it off, put it down, and about every day or 2 days, depends on how quick they eat, I will move them, and it's been able to get free food. It's been great. It's free water whenever the rain comes. We just have a bucket out and it fills up the water with that. And then the food is just the grass and then any scraps that we have. So this has been great. We have rabbits for free now and I have zero complaints. Except this guy, Sawyer, you're not supposed to be in here. Sawyer got bit by a snake and now it's all swollen. So Jared started trenching for our water line. We're gonna put from the house out here so we can have it set up for the camper full time. Our goal when we first moved out here was not to get a camper, not to travel as much, but Jaylee and I did travel a lot for work since we worked with bands and stuff, and we really liked it. We traveled a lot in our truck. So Jaylina and I bought this camper and we're renovating it and we're getting pretty close to being finished with it. But we wanted a spot that we can call home whenever we're not on the road. That's why we're gonna set this up kind of like a campsite here at the homestead. So to end the long day, we're going to decorate our Christmas tree that Jaylina scored for $3 whole at the flea market and fits perfectly in our new, gently used, newly renovated, almost finished trailer.
Text the gang, ready to hang by the water. Think I'll drink me a cold one, baking in the hot sun. Floating down the river, catching a buzz with my friends. Yeah, it's been a long week. Time to let my troubles go. Take it fast, take it slow on the Guadalupe River.
Now our tree's up, we're gonna just relax for the rest of the night, edit this video, and hopefully see if our tree makes it, but I don't think it will because she's already eating it. Cat number 2 already checking it out. Betty. But we hope you guys had an awesome Thanksgiving, and we just can't wait for everything that comes with Christmas.